So good morning everyone. So we have started exercise 2. In that we are going to continue the second problem. So what is second problem? By what number should 3 power minus 4 be multiplied so that the product is 729? So for this 3 power minus 4, which number we will multiply to get the answer as 729 they are asking. Okay, so that is 3 power minus 4. So for this 3 power minus 4, so which number you will multiply? So let the multiplied number, will take it as x. Number B x. So what they told, for 3 power minus 4, which number you will multiply? So that multiplied number I have taken it as x here. So that will be giving the result as 729. Okay. So for 3 power minus 4, which number you will multiply to get the result as 729? So we have to find this x value now. So now how to write this? This 3 power minus 4 we can write in the form of 1 by 3 power 4. So because here I am applying a power minus n is equals to 1 by a power n. So a power minus n is equals to 1 by a power n. So by applying this formula we can write this 3 power minus 4 as 1 by 3 power 4. Okay. So into x is equals to 729. So this 729 we have to convert into prime factors. So how to write this 729 we will see in the form of prime factors. So it will go in 3 table. So it will go in 3 tables. So 3 2s are 6, 1 will be carried. 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9. So 3 243s are 729. Okay, now again in 3 table. So 3 8s are 24, 3 1s are 3. So 3 81s are will be 243. Okay, next 3 27s are will be 81, 3 9s are will be 27, 3 3s are will be 9. And 3 1s will be 3. So how many times 3 you have multiplied? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we can write this 3 power 729 as 3 power 6. So we can write 729 in the form of 3 power 6. So now what we are doing, I am sending this 3 power 4 to other side. So this is in the form of division. So if you send that to other side, that will be converted to multiplication. So we can write 1 into x is equals to 3 power 6 into 3 power 4. Okay. So again, now this is in the form of which formula? First formula. What is that? When both the bases are equal, we can add the powers. That is a power m into a power n is equals to a power m plus n. So both bases are equal. Here also both bases are equal. What we have to do? We have to add the powers. So we have to add this 6 plus 4. So x equals to 3 power 6 plus 4. So x will be equals to how much? 3 power 10. So what is the x value here? 3 power 10. So if you multiply 3 power 10 to 3 power minus 4, the result will be how much? 729. So this is our second solution. Next one is what is the next equation? If 5 power 6 into 5 power 2x is equals to 5 power 10, find x. So what we have to find? We have to find this x value. Okay. So first, given 5 power 6 into 5 power 2x is equals to 5 power 10. So which formula we will apply here? So here again we are going to apply the first formula, that is when both the bases are equal we have to add the powers. So what is the formula? A power m into a power n is equals to a power m plus n. Okay, so this is our formula which we are applying here. So that will be equals to 5 power 6 plus 2x is equals to 5 power 10. Okay, again here both bases are equal. In middle you are having equal to sign. So which formula we have to apply? Last formula, that is we have to equate the powers. So what is the formula? So a power m is equals to a power n, give rise to m is equals to n. So in between these two bases you are having multiplication sign. So we have added the powers. In between these two bases you are having equal to sign. So we are equating the powers here. So in this case we have to equate these two powers. So that is 6 plus 2x is equals to 10. Okay, now start transposing. So plus 6 if you transpose to other side, that will be equals to minus 6. That is 10 minus 6. So 2x is equals to 10 minus 6 will be 4. Now I am transposing this 2 to other side, that is in the form of multiplication. So if you transpose that, that will be converted to division. So x equals to 4 by 2. 2 1s are, 2 2s are. So what is the x value here? X value you got it as 2. So this is our third solution. Next is so what is the next one? Fourth, that is evaluate 2 power 0 plus 3 power 0. Okay, 2 power 0 plus 3 power 0. So what is the result of 2 power 0 and 3 power 0? We will see. So I am applying a power 0 is equals to any number to the power of 0 will be equals to always 1. So it can be 2 power 0, it can be 100 power 0, it can be 1000 power 0 or any other number which is having power as 0, always the result will be equals to 1. So here 2 power 0 will be equals to 1 and also 3 power 0 will be equals to 1. So 1 plus 1 is what? 2 is the answer. So next fifth one, simplify x power a by x power b whole power a into x power b by x power a whole power a into x power a by x power a whole power b. Okay, so first what we can write this? So if you take this, given x power a by x power b whole power a into x power b by x power a whole power a into x power a by x power a whole power b. So if you take all these terms, all are in the form of a by b whole power m. So what we can write? A by b whole power m we can write in the form of a power m by b power m. So this is a by b form. This is m value, again this is a by b form, this is m value, again this is a by b form, this is m value. So how you will write? You will write in the form of a power m by b power m. So how can you can write this? X power a whole power a by x power b whole power a power m by b power m. Okay, in the same way x power b whole power a by x power a whole power a into again this one x power a whole power b by x power a whole power b. Okay, now all these terms are in the form of a power m whole power n. So we can write in the form of a power m into n. So both a power m whole power n. So we can multiply these two powers. So how you will get here? That is x power a into a will be equals to a square by x power b into a will be ab into, in the same way x power b into a is again ab by x power a into a will be a square. So x power a square into x power a into b will be ab. So x power ab by x power ab. So now cancel the terms. X power ab will get cancelled. X power ab will get cancelled. X power a square, x power a square will get cancelled. So the result is what here? 1. So that will be equals to 1. So next one. So what is next one? State true or false and justify your answer. So we have to state whether it is true or false, and also we have to justify our answer. So what is the first one in that? 6th bit. So first one, 100 into 10 power 11 is equals to 10 power 13 itself. So if you multiply these two, the result should be 10 power 13. So whether it is correct or wrong, we will see. So here, given 100 into 10 power 11 is equals to 10 power 13. So we have to show if you multiply these two, the result should be 10 power 13. So here 100 can be written in the form of 10 square. Okay, 100 can be written in the form of 10 square into this 10 power 11. Okay, now if this is equals to 10 power 13 as it is I am writing. Okay, now this is in the form of a power m into a power n that give rise to m plus n, that is a power m plus n. Both bases are equal. In middle you are having equal to sign, so we can add the powers. That is 10 power 2 plus 11 is equals to 10 power 13. This 10 power 13 I am writing as it is. So 2 plus 11 is how much? 10 power 13 is equals to 10 power 13. That is LHS is equals to RHS. So what they give, that is true here. Okay. So next one. 3 square into 4 power 3 is equals to 12 power 5. So whether this is true or false, we have to check again. So given 3 square into 4 power 3 is equals to 12 power 5. So if you multiply these two, you should get the result as 12 power 5. Okay. So how to write this? So 3 square into this we can write in the form of 2 square whole cube. Okay. 2 square is nothing but 4 and the cube as it is will be equals to 12 power 5. So 3 square into 2 power 3 2s is 6 is equals to 12 power 5. So in this case we can't apply any other formula. So here the value, given value will be equals to false only. Okay. So here it is false. You can't apply any formula here because both the bases are unequal and also powers are unequal. So we can't multiply this. So if you multiply this, you will not get the result as 12 power 5. Okay. So next one. Third one is 5 power 0 is equals to 1 lakh power 0. So already we know that any number to the power of 0 will be equals to 1. So here I am applying a power 0 is equals to 1. So 5 power 0 is also 1. 1 lakh to the power of 0 is also 1. So LHS is equals to RHS. So it is true. Next, fourth one is 4 cube is equals to 8 square. So we have to show 4 cube is equals to 8 square here. So given 4 cube is equals to 8 square. So 4 cube is nothing but how much? 4 we have to multiply 3 times. 4 into 4 into 4. And 8 square is nothing but 8 you have to multiply 2 times. Okay. 4 4s are 16. 16 4s are 64. In the same way 8 8s are 64. It is LHS is equals to RHS. So it is true. Okay. Next, fifth one. So fifth one. So what is fifth one here? 2 cube is greater than 3 square. So we have to prove that 2 cube is greater than 3 square here. So whether it is true or false we will see. So given 2 cube is greater than 3 square. 2 cube is nothing but 2 we have to multiply 3 times. 3 square is nothing but 3 we have to multiply 2 times. Okay. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8 is greater than 3 3s are 9. 8 is greater than 9? No. So it is false. So next, sixth one. Minus 2 whole power 4 is greater than minus 2 whole power minus 3 whole power 4. So which is greater we have to check. So given minus 2 whole power 4 is greater than minus 3 whole power 4. So minus 2 we have to multiply 4 times, as well as minus 3 we have to multiply 4 times here. So minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 is greater than minus 3 we have to multiply 4 times, minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3. So how much you will get here? Minus into minus is plus, plus into minus minus, minus into plus will be, minus into minus will be plus. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16 is greater than, here minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus, minus into minus again you will get plus. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 3s are is 81. So which is greater here? 81 is greater, so it is false. Okay. So next is last one. Last one in this exercise, seventh one. So that is minus 2 whole power 5 is greater than minus 3 whole power 5. So whether it is true or false we will check. So given minus 2 whole power 5 is greater than minus 3 whole power 5. So here minus 2 we have to multiply 5 times, as well as minus 3 also you have to multiply 5 times. So multiply this, minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2, and minus 3 we have to multiply 5 times. Minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3. So minus you are seeing 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is minus you will get. Okay. So minus into minus is plus. Plus into minus minus. Minus into minus plus. Plus into minus minus. Now multiply these 2 5 times. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 2s are 16. 16 2s are is 32 is greater than. Now again minus you are having 5 times. So if you multiply minus 5 times, you will get the result as minus only. So 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. 27 3s are 81. 81 3s are is 243. So which is greater here? Because they are in negative form, that is minus 32 will be greater than minus 243. So that is true. So with this our exercise 2 is completed. Next is scientific notation. So what are scientific notations we will see. So what do you mean by scientific notations? Scientific notations are nothing but very smaller number or very bigger number writing in the form of simplest way, we will call it as scientific notation. Suppose so what do you mean by scientific notation? Very smaller number or very greater number, very bigger number, writing in simplest form, we will call it as scientific notation. Suppose, see here, if it is very smaller number, if it is a smaller number, always the point should be moved to right side and the power will be always negative. You have to remember this. Okay, so if it is a bigger number, always the point should be moved to left side and always the power will be positive. So we will see some examples for this. So first I am taking a smaller number. So 0.000001. Okay, I want to convert this smaller number into the form of scientific notation. So how to convert this in the form of scientific notation? This is the smallest number because you are seeing one decimal point here. Okay, if it is a decimal point, if you are seeing a decimal point, that is the smallest number. So this is the smallest number. So for smallest number, which side we have to move? We have to move to right side. And till where you have to move? Always the point should be before only near one number. Before only one number the point should lie. Okay, so I am moving to right side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many times I have moved? 6 times. So we can write this number as 1 into 10 power. Always the power will be negative. So the answer is minus 6. Okay. So one more example we will take. (24). So what will be the result now? Always already I told you the point should be before only one digit. So it should be here. Okay. So now till which side we are moving? We are moving to right side because this is the smallest number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how many times we have moved? We have moved 7 times. So that will be 2.4 into 10 power minus 7. Okay, so this is for smallest numbers. So for biggest number, how to convert in scientific notation, we will see. So I am taking the bigger number as, so this is a bigger number. So between this number you don't have any point. Okay, so if you are not seeing any point, the point is lying at last. Okay, and for bigger numbers we have to move the point to which side? Left side. So how many times you have to move? The point should lie before one digit only. So till here we have to move. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So it is 1 into 10 power 11 because I am writing positive power because it is a bigger number. So this is a scientific notation for the given value. Okay. So one more example we will take. So this is a number, this is the biggest number. So where the point is now at last. So we have to move, we have to convert this bigger number into scientific notation. So where we have to stop the point? Before only one digit you have to stop the point. That means till here you have to stop the point. So move the point to left side now because it is a bigger number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So the answer is 2.4 into 10 power 12 because it is a bigger number, the power will be always positive. So this is a scientific notation how to express the bigger numbers and smaller numbers. So on this next exercise will continue in next class. Thank you.